Hello, my name is Jia Zhe. My admin number is 1500664F. I'm thinking with Chen Wei, but I'm doing option 1. Okay, today I would like to present my products like what I have proposed. Okay, the first item that I want to present is the G4 GTX 980 GPU graphics card. Okay, this graphic cards is very suitable for the designer, like normal designer, because it support up to 1080p high resolution display. Furthermore, it also can support 3D view, which allow the user to view without any latency or lag. Furthermore, okay, this software, this graphic card support up to 4 display with high resolution, like around 180. Okay, as you can see, the maximum digital resolution is 5120x3200, which can support up to very high resolution, and the maximum VGA resolution is 2048x1536. Okay, for this, it also it had a maximum of temperature of 92 degrees Celsius, and it required 250 watts power to run this graphic card. Furthermore, it have a 6-pin plus 8-pin supply power connector, and the memory clock speed is around 7 GB per second. Okay, furthermore, is the standard memory configuration is 6 GB, and the memory interface is generation 5, but our motherboard can support it because it's a generation 3 motherboard. It can support up to 4 and 5, and the texture fill rate is about 170 GT per second, which make the whole video or the 3D display very HD, and it will not cause any lag to it. Okay, the second product is a Z97M DH3 GB Intel motherboard. Okay, the reason why I choose this motherboard is because it is competitor to the previous GeForce graphic card that we have selected. Furthermore, this motherboard is not very heavy. It weighs around 789 grams, and it has 6 USB 3.2, 3.0 and 2.0 port. Okay, you also have 8x 2.0/11.1 port at the back. 2 of it is at the back panel, and 6 of it is available at the internal USB header. Okay, you also have a 1x24-pin AXT main power and 1-pin AXT12. Okay, furthermore, this motherboard supports 6 SATA interfaces, which can link to the HDD or SSD. Okay, other than that, there is one PC Express 16 slot and one PC Express 16 slot running at the 16 speed, and the previous one was a 4 speed. Okay, then this is the technical specification. It support Intel i7 core we have chosen, so it is able to support what we have chosen for our product. So other than this, there is a L3 cache variety with the CPU, Intel Z9 Express chipset supporting up, and a RAM system with supporting up to 32 GB of system memory. Okay, furthermore, it also there's a dual channel memory architecture, and it support up to DDR3 3100 OC. Okay, furthermore, okay, you have a normal integrated graphic card with support up to 1080p, around 1920x1200 with 60 Hz graphics for the D port. Okay, other than that, there's a Relic Jibel LAN chip with provide Wi-Fi or internet speed. Okay, then for this is my next product, which is the RAM, a primary storage. Okay, why the reason why I choose this RAM, because it has a it is compatible to our motherboard, and it also compatible to the i7 core. It run at, this is a DDR3 RAM, a generation 3 RAM, so it is confirmed that it can be placed in our system and use for it Okay, then it also support Intel chipset. Okay, then this is the technical specification for our primary storage. Okay, the speed is it can like DDR3 1600, PC3 12800, and the cache latency is 9. Okay, then you also require like 1.5 voltage of like electricity to make this thing run, and yeah. Okay, then for the next product that I would like to propose is like this Logitech wireless keyboard. Okay, the reason why I choose this keyboard is because it has wireless connectivity. It can like be very convenient for the designer to like move it around without a wires like attaching it to the system, and yeah. Okay, furthermore, like this keyboard is like not very wide, and it has a small touchpad beside it, which make it very useful for the designer to like move it around, like, or creating like gesture or performing like some tasks lah. Okay, then for this there is not much technical specification. There's only like require like a Windows and a USB, wireless USB lah, which is provided in the product. Okay, then the next product that I would like to propose is the Apple Magic Mouse. Okay, this product is like from Apple. It has a like very good design. It is very comfortable for the user hand when they are using the mouse, so it is very suitable like for designer, as they might use the mouse very often and will find the mouse very comfortable. Yeah, and like this like for this mouse is also not very big. It can be carried around like throughout, like when the designer is trying to go to places to help to design something for the customer, and it only like require 2 AA battery in it. Okay, furthermore, like the feature of this mouse, it uses like laser tracking engine that are very sensitive and very responsive to the like surface than the traditional optical technology like a normal mouse, which is like cable. Okay, it also like other than like wireless support with like using like Bluetooth. Yeah, so like the maximum range you can go is like up to 33 feet. Okay, as for the technical specification for the Apple Magic Mouse, there's like not many of like thing required. It's only like needed a mouse software update 1.0 and a like Bluetooth like in your computer system or a wireless thing. For this software is a Serif Draw Plus software, like the version 8. The reason why I choose this software for the designer, because of its like features, and it to offer like it's more wider than other software like Photoshop. For this illustration tool, this graphic software come with a wide range of tools. It can like allow the designer to create like certain shape that in like a 3D resolution. Like you can view the image 3D with this software. Like it doesn't provide like with any other like design software. Okay, then furthermore, the photo and image editing, right, it comes with like several editing features which the user can use to alter and adjust the photo, and the system comes with like around 48 photo filters. You can also like add like elements or drastically change the image by adding texture and like adjusting the tone of the image. Yeah. Okay, then this technical specification is just you need a like it's a window based PC. Yeah, then after it's like operating at Windows 8 or Windows 7. Okay, then after that you also like need at least a 512 RAM, which a primary storage to run this thing to keep the program not lag. Yeah, and it require like around the space is like around 1 gig, but here say it's like 665. Yeah, so prepare like around 1 gig free space, and the resolution is like only like 1020 times 6768. Yeah. Okay, then this is the additional item that I would like to propose, which is the Cooler Master silent code. It's like a casing to the whole computer system. Okay, for this right, the reason why I chose is because it is big enough to place our motherboard with all the features inside nicely, like, yeah. Then after that, it also can draw heat very fast, and it does not really like give out a lot of sound. It's like a bit of soundproof, yeah. Then the dimension, as you can see, is like 7.8 times 14.9 times 17.8 inch. Is quite big, and it weight around 4.7 kg. Okay, the important feature of this is like just now what I say, you can cancel like noise cancelling, and there's a function to prevent like dust from entering the computer that can like affect the fan, yeah. And also, okay, then for this system right, you can also add like a liquid cooling system. However, that is like come with additional cost for the users to pay lah, yeah. Okay, then the technical specification for this is like it have 4 expansion slot. Then after a standard AXT power supply, which is like PS2, and it's like there's how you say, okay, then the second reason like why I choose this is able to put our GPU like VGA graphic card, which is up to a maximum of 14 inch, but our GTX graphic card is only like 10 inches, so it's able to fit in. And the CPU cooler right is like the maximum it can hold is 6.1, but our one is like around 4 point something, so everything can be put inside nicely. Okay, yeah, thank you. This is like end of my proposed idea.